It can be challenging to troubleshoot your documents when you're just looking at a screen like this. You may wonder why this data is starting down here. Word has a feature called Show Hide, a little tool that's just here that if you click on it, it shows or hides non-printing characters. This is really helpful for troubleshooting. So for example, if I had 2 spaces between my words, you can see here it's got 2 dots and the dots represent spaces. The backwards P represents the fact that I've pressed enter. Here is a page break. If we have a look further down, I have another line here. This one's actually a section break. Now, I know that's the case because that's what I put in there, but this enables you to work out what could be going on in your document. If you were to put on bullets, for example, you would see that there would be little arrows that indicate that that's the tab stop between the bullet and the piece of text that's starting up. So it can be really useful if perhaps things don't line up. It enables you to change elements or be able to troubleshoot your documents. So that's the Show Hide tool in Word.